In this video, I will show you how to change the color of the product titles or collection pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And for the purpose of this example, I would like to change the color of product titles to red. So to make this change, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Now locate Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, select Homepage, then click on Collections, then select Default Collection. Then on the left side of the screen, look for Template, and then select Product Grid. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. There should be a Custom CSS section. Let's expand it. We're going to be adding the CSS rule right in here. But at first, let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the product titles. Let's right-click on it, select Inspect. And the class selector is card_heading h5, and we also target the A tag. Perfect, so let's go back. Let's add the following rule. Type period, card_heading, period, h5, space, A. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, and then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Now let me select the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Then make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now go back to the editor and paste it right in here. And lastly, make sure to add the semicolon at the end. Once finished, just save the changes. Then let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the collection page. And as you can see, the color of the product titles is now red, and this change will be reflected on the other collection pages, like right over here. And finally, if you have a featured product section in your website, like I do on my homepage, right over here, and you want to change the color of the product titles, we can actually reuse the same CSS rule. For that, let me go back to the editor. Let's copy the CSS rule. Then click on Default Collection. Let's switch to Homepage. Then let's locate the Feature Collection section, as in my case is right over here. Let's select it. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. Once again, let's expand the Custom CSS section. And now let's paste the rule right in here. Then let's save the changes. Once again, let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the homepage. And as you can see, the product titles are also red color on the feature product section. So for now, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.